Welcome back to the channel. My name's Ardil and today we're talking about a little upgrade that we've carried out on this absolutely stunning Bentley Bentayga. What we've upgraded this particular vehicle with is protection, not only while driving but also while the vehicle is parked. And the way we've done that is actually adding in a dash camera solution, but this is no ordinary dash cam. This is a 4K image front camera. It's a brand new solution from Thinkware. The features also include something called Super Night Vision, which is an enhanced night vision mode to basically pick up registration numbers really well and really pick up at night really clearly with that crystal clear lenses that it's got front and back. Not only does this vehicle is now protected while driving, it's also now protected while parked as well. And the way that happens is with zero draw on your vehicle's battery. So if you're looking to have a dash camera solution and you see parking mode written on the box without a separate battery being installed, so brands like Nextbase and a few others that don't have a solution for a separate battery, they are basically drawing down on your vehicle's battery. What happens over time is that your battery will eventually fail. The solution that we've added onto this vehicle, and what we always recommend, so if you're after parking mode, you need to select a system with a separate battery. This is the iVolt Pro battery. What that actually means is about 50 minutes of driving gives you about 27 hours of parking mode recording, which is absolutely exceptional. So at all times, the dash camera is powered by the battery. So when you turn your ignition on, that's inputting feed into the battery itself, which then holds the charge, and your dash cam is powered by that when your engine is on. As soon as you turn your engine off, what happens is that camera actually then flicks over and powers again straight from that battery, but there is no drain on your vehicle's battery at all. So you know your vehicle is safe, but also protected while your vehicle is parked. So for those shopping trips, for when you're going anywhere, you can take your vehicle and know you can lock the car up and know pretty much you've got CCTV around your vehicle, and that is front and back coverage. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you're interested in having this same solution added onto your vehicle, head over to our website. All of the details is in the description below. It'd be a pleasure to upgrade your car next. I'll see you on the next one.